In particular, the people doing the repairs are the ones who inhale it directly. So it's also bad for mechanics' health in various ways. That's why our focus was on that issue, and we developed an exhaust gas purifier. When we do our work, a lot of exhaust gas come out, for example, during forced DPF regeneration, or if we run the engine in neutral for a long time, and then when doing intake cleaning and so on. This kind of cleaning work produces an enormous amount. In those situations, our workers' health comes first. And since this garage is located in a densely populated residential area, we receive a lot of complaints. There's a lot of smoke smell. And it's noisy. There's a biggest purpose for dealing with things like that. First of all, the number of complaints has decreased a lot. Before we introduced it, complaints would come in now and then. But even when the district office was involved, after doing this, there were none starting from then. There wasn't a single case.